Imagine this. You wake up, try to get out of bed, and suddenly realize your legs feel weaker than they did last year. The stairs feel steeper, the grocery bags heavier, and that jar of pickles on the kitchen counter, it might as well be superglued shut. If you're over 60, you know this feeling all too well. And it's not just getting older. It is something called muscle loss, or sarcopenia, and it affects up to 1 in 3 people your age. The cruel part, it happens silently. You don't notice it until your independence starts slipping away, and that is the exact moment most people wish they had done something earlier. The good news, you can reverse it. You can rebuild strength, improve balance, and keep your independence for decades, without expensive supplements or fancy gym memberships. And it all starts with what you put on your plate. But before we dive in, I want to make sure you never miss life-changing tips like this. Hit the subscribe button right now, turn on the bell notification, and join thousands of others who are taking control of their health after 60. Also, leave a comment below telling me where you're rewatching from. I love seeing our community from all over the world. Alright, let's get into the 7 cheap, high-protein foods that can help you build muscle fast and keep it for life. 1. Eggs, nature's perfect protein. You might already have them in your fridge right now. Eggs are what I call nature's little protein bombs, each one with about 6 grams of high-quality protein and all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and build muscle. And here's the kicker, they're incredibly affordable. Even the good free-range ones are a bargain compared to most protein powders. Pro tip, eat the yolk. That's where you'll find vitamin D, B12, and choline, all important for muscle and nerve health. 2. Greek yogurt. The creamy powerhouse Greek yogurt has double the protein of regular yogurt, and it is packed with probiotics to keep your digestion running smoothly. 1 cup can give you up to 20 grams of protein. Pair it with berries for antioxidants and a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness, and you've got a perfect breakfast or snack that fuels your muscles without spiking your blood sugar. 3. Lentils. The plant-based muscle builder. Don't underestimate these tiny legumes. Lentils are one of the cheapest sources of plant-based protein, offering 18 grams per cup. They're also loaded with fiber, iron, and folate, nutrients that keep your energy steady all day. They cook quickly, store well, and can be added to soups, stews, or even salads for a hearty protein boost. 4. Canned tuna. Protein that lasts. If you want convenience, affordability, and a long shelf life, canned tuna is your friend. A single can gives you 25 grams of protein and omega-3 fatty acids to fight inflammation and protect your heart. Choose tuna in water for fewer calories, or in olive oil for extra healthy fats. 5. Cottage cheese. The nighttime muscle saver. Here's something most people don't know. Cottage cheese is rich in casein protein, which digests slowly. That means if you eat it before bed, your muscles get a steady stream of amino acids overnight. When most repair happens, half a cup delivers 14 grams of protein for pennies. Add some pineapple or peach slices for a sweet, satisfying treat. 6. Peanut butter. Energy in a spoon. Yes, it's high in calories, but in moderation, peanut butter can be a powerful ally. 2 tablespoons give you 8 grams of protein, plus healthy fats that help you feel full and energized. Spread it on whole grain toast for breakfast, or stir it into oatmeal for a satisfying muscle-fueling start to your day. 7. Chicken thighs. The budget-friendly meat option. Sure, chicken breast gets all the glory, but thighs are cheaper, juicier, and still packed with protein, around 26 grams per serving. Plus, the extra fat in thighs helps keep you feeling satisfied longer. Roast a batch on Sunday, and you'll have ready-to-eat protein for days. So let's recap. Write it down if you can, and include it in the next shopping list. The 7 cheap high-protein foods to build muscle fast after 60 are. The first one, eggs. The second, Greek yogurt. 3 lentils. 4, canned tuna. 5, cottage cheese. 6, peanut butter. 7, chicken thighs. Listen, you're not powerless against aging. Every meal you eat is an opportunity to get stronger, stay independent, and keep doing the things you love. The next time you go grocery shopping, think of your cart as a toolbox for your future. Fill it with the foods that keep your muscles and your life strong. If you learned something valuable today, hit the like button, share this video with a friend who needs it, and subscribe so you never miss the tips that could change your health. And before you go, Leave a comment below telling me where you're rewatching from and which of these foods you'll try first. In our next video, Boost Your Brain After 60, you'll learn 9 everyday foods that sharpen memory and focus, and say goodbye to forgetfulness, mental fatigue, depression, and lethargy. Don't miss it. Take care, stay strong, stay curious. Until next video.